You are probably familiar with comparison operators from your school mathematics curriculum. What are these operators? Equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. In MySQL, you can use both syntax options, such as parentheses and exclamation marks. With these operators, we can compare different values. Not only that, we can compare not only numerical values, not only numbers themselves, but also symbols or letters.
What is the order then?
What if the values are mixed? First come digits, which are less than capital letters, and capital letters are less than lowercase letters. First come all digits, and they are less than all capital letters, then capital letter A, then the entire alphabet up to Z, and all capital letters are less than lowercase letters. Now, let's compare something. Let's go to our reader table. First, I will display all readers on the screen so we can decide what to compare. Let's start with age. First, let's compare numbers. We'll write a condition stating that age must be over 27. Then, we will only see customers over age of 27. We can do the same thing in reverse for those under 27 years old. In that case, all customers under 27 years old will be displayed. Now, let's compare the characters. Select * to display all readers. Now let's compare names. What should we write? Let's make it more than just a capital L. Who do you think will appear on the screen? Let me show you whole table again. I've selected the part of the query that I want to run and clicked on Lightning Bolt. It only runs selected part. Here are all people we have. Okay, as you can see, all names before Liam, Sophie, and Robert will not be displayed because they must be longer than the capital letter L. In fact, Liam will be displayed too. Let's run it and see why. As we can see, Liam is displayed too. Why? Because a single letter L is smaller than a whole string of characters. In other words, we have capital letter L plus additional characters that add weight. In other words, name Liam is longer than letter L alone. What do you think will happen if we write full name Liam? This string will not be displayed because it is one-to-one. This is already an equal sign if we want Liam to appear in full. In this case, it is one-to-one, meaning it is not greater than. It is equal. If it were greater than or equal to, then Liam would appear because it is equal to Liam and all the others would be greater. So, remember that first come numbers, then capital letters, and finally the lowercase letters. I advise you to play around with it and do your homework.